Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, where we help you make the best purchasing decisions without breaking a sweat. Today, we're soaring high with two incredible drones, the Holy Stone HS440 aka the Sky King and the ATTOP Drone aka the Sky Warrior. Which one should you add to your collection? Let's dive in and find out. First up, the Sky King. This bad boy will set you back $129. And over here, the Sky Warrior is a bit more budget-friendly at $109. So if you're looking to save a few bucks for that extra large pizza, the Sky Warrior's got your back. But let's talk about what's really important. Capturing those epic selfies from 300 feet up. The Sky King sports a 1080p HD camera with a 112 degrees wide-angle lens that can be adjusted within 90 degrees, perfect for getting that perfect aerial shot of your neighbor's pool party. Meanwhile, the Sky Warrior boasts a 1080p UHD camera with a 120 degrees field of view. So you can capture even more of your neighbor's pool party, plus the annoying dog next door. Reviewers say the Sky King's camera is decent for its price range, but note that wind can affect picture quality. On the other hand, the Sky Warrior's camera is clear, but some users have experienced issues with drone malfunctions. Now, let's talk airtime. The Sky King offers a solid 20 minutes of flight time with its powerful modular battery. Not bad, right? But the Sky Warrior steps into the ring with not one, not two, but 3 rechargeable batteries, giving you a whopping 30 minutes of flight time. Reviewers of the Sky King appreciate its decent battery life, while Sky Warrior users love the extended playtime but note some battery issues. Ease of use is crucial, especially if you're a drone newbie. The Sky King is packed with beginner-friendly features like automatic takeoff, precise hovering, and one-key high-speed rotation. It's like having a personal drone butler. On the other hand, the Sky Warrior offers one-key return, altitude hold, and even voice control. Just shout, "Come back," and watch it obey like a loyal pet. Reviewers find the Sky King easy to learn and control, while Sky Warrior users appreciate its voice control but have noted some initial malfunctions. Let's not forget the fun stuff. The Sky King has intelligent functions like emergency stop, headless mode, and altitude hold. Plus, it's got a carrying case, so you can look super fancy while transporting it. The Sky Warrior, though, takes it to another level with its ATTOP Club app. You can draw routes, use voice control, and even rock a VR headset for a 3D experience. It's like The Matrix, but with less Keanu Reeves and more quadcopters. Reviewers love the Sky King's durability and fun features, while Sky Warrior fans enjoy the advanced app functionalities but have mixed feelings about its reliability. Overall, reviewers appreciate the Holy Stone HS440 for its durability, ease of use, and fun flying experience, though they wish it had better stability in windy conditions. The ATTOP Drone is praised for its innovative features and decent camera quality, but has mixed reviews due to some reliability issues. So which drone takes the crown? Is it the Sky King with its sleek features and solid camera, or the Sky Warrior with its unbeatable battery life and next-level fun? Drop your choice in the comments below and let us know which one you'd fly into the sunset with. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, keep flying high and shopping smart. Product links are in the description.